Hello everyone, welcome to Data Chronicles. So let's solve a hard question from DoorDash. The question is highest earning merchants. For each day, you have been asked to find a merchant who earned the most money on the day before. Before comparing totals between merchants, round the total amount to the nearest two decimal places. Your output should include the date in the format of year, month, and day and the merchant's name, but only for days where the data from previous day is available. In case of multiple merchants having the same highest shared amount, your output should include all the names in different rows. So we are given two tables, order details and merchant details, and the expected output is day and the merchant who earned the most the previous day. So yeah. Um, Okay, so the first thing would be to identify which merchant, obtained the highest sales on a given day. So for that, we'll start with a group by function. Select. Uh, we need the date in this particular format. So what we'll do, we'll use a function date, order timestamp as order day. And we need the name of the merchant as well. So that will come from merchant details table, name and sum of total amount earned. And we need to round it by two decimal places. So I'll just use a round function as sales from order details, OD join merchant details, MD on merchant ID. So OD dot merchant ID is equal to md dot id. And since we're using a aggregate function, we'll use group by 1, comma 2. And we can order it by date. So with this query, we are able to, calculate the sum for each merchant on each day. Now we need to provide a ranking based on this sales. So what we can do is we can here only add dense rank function so that none of the rank gets skipped. Dense rank over partition by date of order timestamp and order by should be by sales, and it has to be in descending order. Yeah, so let's run the code once again. So now as we can see on 14th, the highest sales was earned by Thai Lion. So what we can do is we can actually sort it by 1 and 3. Sorted by date, rank, and then the restaurant name. So then you'll see it clearly. So on 14th, Thai Lion earned the most, and on 15th, 3 of the restaurants obtained the highest sales. So the next thing would be to create it as a CT, and since we are only interested in merchants having the highest sales, we can actually filter the above one, rank 1 as select star from CTE, where I'll rename it as sales rank. Sales rank is equal to 1. Select star from rank 1. So now you can see for 14th, we have got the highest restaurant as Thailand, and for 15th, there are three restaurants that have the highest sales. So the expected output would be the next day, like 15th, and the name of the restaurant should be Thailand. And for 16th, there'll be three rows because three restaurants have obtained the highest sales the previous day. So what we can do is we can simply write the column name was order day. So order day plus interval 1 day as next day and name of the restaurant. So then we'll get the output in this format. 15th, the previous day would be 14th, and the highest merchant would be Thailand. And similarly, on 15th, there were three restaurants that obtained highest sale. So for 16th, there'll be three rows. And yeah, so let's submit the code. Yeah, so the solution works. And this was a difficult question. And if you want to see more videos like this, do consider subscribing. Thank you.